Hi guys, so I'm genuinely sorry for my last 3 days, but this is what I actually look like after a whole day. Eyes are literally blown up, and my voice is so heavy that I am in half asleep mood. But it's okay, and then I think that it is not good for videos, but I have to record now. Okay, so last 3 days were terrible because in my actually project I messed up some things. Let me tell you some errors. First, server error. Server error is basically when front end is trying to call backend, but there are some routes error that backend did not give a request or did not give proper output to front end. So front end cannot display what's coming from the backend. Okay. Now, second is some typing error because I think you guys know that in coding in this making whole project submission, you have to focus on precision and proper identification. In Python, actually, you have to work on proper identification. So that is the thing, second error which I've faced. And third error is most funny error is that we are processing URLs, but in URL suddenly a document appears. I've made a literally very good function actually. Let me show you. But I'm not going to show you like this that I made this or this. But I'm just telling you because in some time there's gonna be live. When it's gonna be live, you have to literally connect your internet connection and just try it. That is my front end. Okay, so that is the thing. And basically, let me give you some details about my project. So, our company, have a AI model named Electric AI. Okay, so Electric AI is a normal, just like a AI model, AI agent. So it needs data, it needs more keyword, it needs more refinement keywords and Q&A pairs to just training, to fine tuning, to actually evaluate the model on some specific level. Or the more data model have, the more and better output it gives. That is the theory. Okay, so now what we actually do is that we made an electric AGI. So in what the actually electric AGI do, you gonna give some URL and you gonna give some documents. It gonna process all the documents and literally work on, you gonna process all the documents and literally it extract all the keywords and all the content with limiting rate limiters, with minimum thresholds, concurrent request, every parameters. We are gonna using two models, ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o mini. And there is also an embedding model. I don't know which model, but it's also embedding model. And we have a Claude 5.4.5 Sonnet free. Okay, so now that is the whole new things about the tech. But so how it works, when you give the URL or document, it goes line to line, and it actually create a Q&A. It create a content type, content quality, token type, token quality, token personality behavior. It gonna create a long 6,000 7,000 JSON file when you just process 10 URL. So that is the thing. So when you just process 10 URLs, it gonna give you tokens. And now I've tested on some 4 parameters. The token quality is significantly increased 22,000, 25,000 for a single URL. And heavy websites like C organization or space things, astronaut things, so these contain details. When you are working on details, you have a lot of data, actually a lot of data. So that's how it gonna create a keywords, not create, basically it gonna extract the keywords, extract the things, and it gonna persona behavior. So we are actually, our company is also launching a hackathon in my college, where I and my team will go on the behalf of electric AI and gonna all take care of the all the hackathons in my college. So that is the thing. And second thing also, that I am gonna be a proper debate member, and I am the one who made the front end and corrected the back end. So I have to explain the project, I have to literally give the whole explanation, whole how to work. And this gonna go literally a very big fear of me, that I'm going to represent in the front of audience. I know that is also sound very terrible to you, that how I'm gonna speak, how I'm gonna say things to anyone, because literally 200, 300, 400, 500 people are sitting in front of me, and I have to speak and they have to say yes. That is my motive. When I literally learn about that when I am participating in SIH, and it was also a good part. So I made my project and I created a simple landing page. But then when I go and ask about the public that, are you guys comfortable on English or should I try Hindi, so they will be like, no, we are comfortable, and I feel the joy in me. So that is the thing, that I love literally public speaking now, because the more I interact with people, the more knowledge and data I have. So we are also like an AI model, AI agent basically, because a LLM with capable of doing things is called agent. That is the simple definition, that is actually a simple and fun definition to know. So that is the thing. And this is gonna be my first and my best project for now. So they told me about that, why they hired me. I suddenly asked to sir that, why should you hire me in the crowd of some peoples basically. So they say that you have a project of web crawling and web scrolling also, so that's gonna complete puzzle the complete the puzzle of company's requirement. So that's why I'm in. So that is the thing, you are not, basically say that you are not useless, but you are in wrong place. Don't think that you gonna be in the factor that you are to go and somewhere and you just got the opportunity in first try. That is not the thing, that is not how things works. You take time, you understand the topic, and you just then go, then you go for opportunity, then you try on these things. That is the thing. So good luck for the future, and I have to start again the work. So that is all for the day. I'll meet you in the next video.